Hello everyone, hello my teacher. Today I want to tell you about the lesson. The lesson is called Leaders Make Mistakes. The leaders make mistakes is come from the book is called Leadership by Tom Peters. The Tom Peters is great business writer. His book very excellent and they are full of passionate and emotional language and words. That reason why I really like him. On the lesson, I learned and discovered a lot of things. The first thing I want to discuss with you is failing is as net of succeeding. You must make rich in life, in business, and then you won't have big mistakes. And when you have a big mistake, you won't grow up, and then finally you won't succeed. Believe me. For example, when I was a child, I studied at primary school. Almost students in class have the same way to do exercise on the final test, and with me only have the other way to do, and finally I fail. My mother and my father didn't like it, but with me that's okay because I think falling is the mother of succeeding. The second thing I want to say with you is how many times do you make mistakes? You don't stop because when you have big mistakes, you will learn, you can think, and you can have more experiment, and then you can try something else more great and more interesting. Believe me, you will succeed. For example, when I study FLS English, the first time is I make a lot of mis- mistakes, and finally I can learn this way very much. I love this way, and it is my English my passion. And for example, as you drive the motorbike, the first also second thing you will fail, but you keep going to try and try, and finally believe me, you will control your motorbike and you can drive it safely. And the third thing, the writers talk about the educations. The pupil in the school will talk how to do the exam, how to do the test. They taught you fall in your life. They don't taught you how to fall in the test. It's totally not true because you can't improve very much. You can't learn very much. You can't do something. You don't be a different. You don't be a special. I think is not good. And the final, for example, when you know, you know who is the most success in life, who is richest in the life. They always have biggest mistake in the past. For example, for and for example, so you must try, you must keep going to try. And finally I want to say with you a reality example. When I want to improve my writing English skill, I must writing a lot, I must write a lot, and finally I have some great, I have as a magic a magic with me. Now I'm so proud of my English, my writing English skill, and more confident myself. Conclusions: this lesson gives me the value of life. Keep going, keep going to try and improve, because this is the key of success. Believe me. That is the end of my presentation. See you next time. Bye bye.